Hey guys, my name is Ivana, and today let's talk about the purpose behind those yearly doctor or CVS trips. Vaccinations! Let's dive right in.
So let's start with the question as to how does a vaccination really work? Well, a vaccination works to provide humans with the immunity of a certain disease. You all may be familiar with the flu vaccination that your parents may or may not have forced you to get every fall during your childhood. This flu vaccination is an example of an inactivated or killed vaccine, which is one of the three broader ideas of vaccinations that we will be diving into today. So an inactivated vaccine is also known as a killed vaccine. This is basically when the virus is killed with heat, radiation, or certain chemicals, and is then inserted into the body as it is no longer infectious or at risk of death towards the individual who receives it. As the flu vaccine works as an example of this, when your shot reaches your body and your immune system, this killed version of the flu virus then trains your body to recognize the antigen and develop the antibodies necessary to fight the flu, allowing the decrease of this influenza risk as a whole. Another form of vaccination is known as the attenuated virus vaccine. This is actually the opposite of an inactivated virus vaccine, as this is when a live virus is inserted into your immune system. The trick with this is that the virus is altered enough that it is weakened within the human body as soon as it reaches your immune system. An example of this is known as the nasal spray flu vaccine, which allows the immune system to recognize the live virus and create stronger antibodies to fight this off the next time they encounter its information. As this is a live vaccination, it allows the immune system's response to resemble that of the natural infection, thus providing greater protection. The final form of vaccination that we will be looking into today is known as the toxoid vaccines. Now, imagine that you're about to create or eat an apple pie, but you only have one ingredient of the entire recipe. This could be the flour, the apple, the oil. So you're only exposed to one certain portion of the entire meal. Similarly, these vaccinations are known as those that expose the body to toxins that a pathogen produces, instead of exposing the immune system to the entire virus itself. As scientists may put individuals at risk when introducing the entire virus or pathogen to the patient itself with a live vaccine, they resort to this alternative instead, which is when the vaccine exposes the body to toxins that a pathogen produces, instead of exposing the immune system to the entire virus as a whole. Thus, it allows the body to create immunity to the parts of the germ that cause a disease instead of the germ itself. So you're only being exposed to a portion of the meal, which may not seem as effective as the attenuated vaccine.
And so as these immunization tools continue to grow since the first cowpox vaccination of 1798, it is crucial to understand as to how much of a step we have taken in the field of virology and vaccinations with the access to the new COVID-19 vaccination after almost 2 years of quarantine. As these virologists continue to find new innovations of combating these pathogens, it is important to keep this in mind when you take your next visit to the doctors for your vaccinations. Thank you so much for watching.